Okay guys, on today's episode, we're here at Luxury Shine Detail and we got a little bit of a problem. So what we're going to be doing today is an oil filter housing gasket. So as you see right here, we got an oil leak going down right onto the belt. So we're going to need to take this apart and replace the gasket inside. So yeah, let's get to it and I'll show you how we get this done.
RDMS.
Okay, so the first step is complete. We unbolted the intake manifold. We got it popped up a little bit so we can access the bolt. And we clamped this hose. We're going to take this hose off in a second here. We also lifted the car. We're going to drain the oil. Let's get back into it. Okay, so we ran into a little bit of an issue now. So what we have going on here now is I can't take this bolt off right next to this metal flange. Normally you guys have a plastic one, but I got a metal one, so I'm going to take this off and it's going to make my life a lot easier. Okay, so we got everything off now. We got the bolt out, we got the oil cooler lines off, and we got one more bolt to take off and we'll get it out. Okay guys, finally we got this out. So what we're gonna have to do next is we're gonna have to clean the surfaces. We're gonna have to clean the engine there and make sure that there's no oil on the belt and whatnot. And I'm gonna have to open this up, change the gaskets inside, and we're gonna be putting it back. So this is the liquid moly that I got. These are the gaskets from ECS Tuning. So let's get to it. Okay, so I got it all cleaned up. It's pretty dirty. And I got the gaskets in. Got it all screwed back together. So now we're going to put it back into the car. And we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I got it back on. Everything fit well. Oil lines are back on. Filters in. Got a couple things left to do. And it'll be all finished up.
Okay, so we got everything back up and installed, but I noticed that this is broken and it's for this pipe here, so we're gonna have to do it after. Everything else is back together. Last thing.
Okay, so we finally finished everything. Everything looks good, except for that one part. I'm gonna need to get that gasket tomorrow. But yeah, so for the next episode, we got this LSD diff. That's gonna be pretty fun. We're gonna take it outside. We're gonna do some sliding with it after. So stay tuned. See you guys on the next one.